Healthcare providers' ultimate goal is patient well-being, and informed decisions powered by modern data analytics are key to achieving improved patient outcomes. Yet, achieving this goal is often hampered by legacy tools. A top U.S. specialty healthcare provider offering primary medical care struggled with its data platform, hindering its ability to deliver the best possible care for patients. The firm relied heavily on spreadsheets for reporting and insights. This manual approach resulted in limited data visibility, data redundancy issues, errors, and inefficiencies. The lack of streamlined data and poor insights hindered the healthcare provider's ability to make data-driven decisions, putting patient care at stake. USEReady Data Value Practice stepped in with a comprehensive solution. A secure and scalable Microsoft Azure cloud platform was deployed to host the data infrastructure. Snowflake, a cloud-native data warehouse, was implemented to store all data in a single location, eliminating redundancy. Matillion ELT automated data extraction from various sources, loading it into Snowflake, freeing up staff time. Power BI created interactive, customized dashboards and reports for self-service access and real-time insights. We created a cloud-native data platform, which could now handle diverse data sources, including EHR, EMR, population health, telephony, HR, and finance systems. The solution delivered automated data pipelines and self-service analytics and reduced time for insights. Automation minimized manual work, freeing up staff time. The solution adhered to strict security protocols and HIPAA compliance, enabling device-agnostic data access for increased collaboration. By modernizing their data analytics, healthcare providers can focus on what matters most, delivering exceptional care and improving the lives of their patients. USEReady. We help healthcare providers transform data for better patient outcomes.